Everyone loves a cute dog, but did you know this one has its own financial protocol? Let's dive into how Baby Dodge actually works. Launched in 2021 on the B&B chain, Baby Dodge was built for speed. We're talking 5-second block speeds, way faster than the original Dodge. The secret sauce is the 10% protocol fee on every transaction. 5% goes to reflections and the other 5% goes to liquidity and burns. This is the best part. Static reflections. You don't have to lock your tokens or stake them. Your wallet balance just grows in real time as people trade. It's hyperdeflationary. We started with 420 quadrillion, but over 50% is already burned. The dead wallet actually earns reflections too, which speeds up the burn every day. A min with a mission and a matte back protocol. That's the baby Dutch way. Join the army now.